Hey guys, wanna change Google Drive folders colors just using your phone device? Let me show you how easy it is because it is a cool trick for organizing and for efficient use of your Google Drive. So let's begin. Now open Google Drive app on your device and make sure you are logged in into the correct Google account. So when there, go to the files and find the folder for which you want to change the color. And now simply tap and hold it. It will select your folder and now just click on the three dots right there at the top right. So now this will bring up a pop-up menu and from there select the change color option. And this will bring up a color palette. I will use the red color because it is an urgent folder. So also you can change the color of the folder via these settings. Just click the three dots right next to the folder and now select the change color option again. And again, select the best fitting color for this folder. For example, blue. So if you have a lot of folders, just keep organizing them by color by repeating the same pretty much process. But also I recommend using different colors for different categories. For example, for a personal category, I would use a blue color, and for finances, I would use a yellow one. So you got the point. And also remember that when sharing a folder, it will not appear, for example, in the blue color for the recipient because the change of the color only affects your account view. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.